Good everyone, you're watching Ready Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix if you're not able to open high resolution files in your Windows photo gallery. Now this problem occurs because by default, Windows photo gallery will not open an image file that is larger than 100 megapixel. For example, if you scan a full 8.5 by 11 page using a resolution of 1200 dpi, the resulting image file will be larger, approximately 136 megapixel. Now this exceeds the default size limit for Windows Photo Gallery. To resolve this problem, you will have to go ahead and make some registry changes. To do this, you will have to open the registry. You can do a right click on the start button and then click on run. In the run window, you may go ahead and type Reg Edit. In case if you get a user access control prompt, you may click on yes or continue on the screen. Now, while you're working on the registry, please be sure you follow the steps correctly. Just in case if you make any incorrect registry changes, there are chances that your computer may not function the way how it is functioning. Now, once you have the registry editor open, you will have to collapse the registry key in this order so that you can see all these 5 different registry hierarchies. Once you're on this hierarchy, you will have to go ahead and expand HKey current user. Under HKey current user, you will have to locate for software, expand software. Under software, look for Microsoft. It would be in alphabetical order. Expand Microsoft and then look for Windows Photo Gallery or a Windows Photo Viewer. Now, if you have a Windows Photo Viewer or Windows Photo Gallery, you will have to go ahead and expand that particular registry key by clicking on this small triangle and then select Viewer. Once you have selected Viewer, you will have on the right hand side in the empty space, you will have to do a right click and then click on New and then choose dword 32-bit value. You can copy the dword value from my video description. Basically what you're trying to do here is you're trying to create a dword value for a maximum frame size megapixel. So that's what this dword means. Hit enter. Once this dword value is created, you will have to do a right click and then click on modify and then choose the base as a decimal. Once you have selected decimal, you will have to change the value data to 150 or 200. So if you set it for 150, the maximum limit for the megapixel will be 150. For the best practice, to be on a safer side, you can set the value to 200 so that the limit has been set to 200 megapixel. Once this is done, you may click on OK, close this window, and then you may try to open the images from your computer. So this should allow you to open high resolution files in your Windows Photo Gallery. So this is how you can go ahead and fix this issue. In spite of making these changes, if you're still facing a problem, I would suggest you to leave me a comment in the comment section so that I can come up with the possible solution. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.